Today we are going to do a little correction in the Surya Namaskara. Here, Rajiv and Renuka with me, they will demonstrate how to do the Surya Namaskara properly. Let's start. Feet together, hands together. Inhale. Now exhale Namaskara. Inhale, stretch arms up and arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back. Hold the breath, both leg back. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead down. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, hip up, Parvata. Inhale, right leg forward, left knee down, look up. Exhale, both leg forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. Inhale, down. Exhale, Namaskara. Inhale, stretch arms up and arch. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left leg back. Left knee down, look up. Hold the breath, both leg back. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead down. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, hip up. Inhale, left leg forward, right knee down, look up. Exhale, both leg forward. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, Namaskara. Inhale, down, and we are going to do the corrections. While you are starting, keep your feet together, hands together. Shoulders should be relaxed and your back should be straight. This posture is called Sthiti. We are starting from the Sthiti. Inhale, just inhale. Now exhale, Namaskara. With the exhalation, bring your palms together. And inhale, stretch your arms up. First, stretch your arms up as much as you can. Try to keep your hands behind the ears, the biceps behind the ears, and arch back with the same stretch arch. So you'll get a nice arch on your entire back. Exhale, bend forward with the same stretch. Try to place your palms beside the leg, a little bit more backward. Good. Always keep your knees straight. Try to press your palms down. Inhale, right leg back, bring your right leg maximum back, right knee down. Push your hip downwards towards the floor, and the front leg should be on 90 degrees. Hold the breath, both leg back. It is plank, so the back should be in a straight line. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead down. Knee, chest, forehead. Only the knee, chest and forehead should be on the floor. The hip and the neck region should be up. This posture is called Ashtavakra. There should be 8 curves in the body. Inhale, head up, chest up, Bhujanga. Arch your head a little more back. Pull your shoulder a little backward. Bend your elbows a little. And feet should be together. Arch your head more back. Good. Exhale, hip up, Parvata. Try to put the heels down on the floor. The heels should be down and the knees should be straight. Bring your head maximum down towards the floor. Try to squeeze your abs. And try to push your hip maximum up. So you'll get a nice stretch on your entire spine. Inhale, right leg forward. Bring your right leg in between the hands, and the right leg should be on 90 degrees. And put your left knee down, push your hip down towards the floor and look up. Exhale, both legs forward. Make your knees straight and drop your head down. Try to place the palms down on the floor. Inhale, stretch your arms up and arch. Your hand should be behind the ears. The bicep should be behind the ears and arch maximum backward. Exhale, namaskara. Inhale down. Again, exhale, namaskara. Your shoulders should be relaxed and feet together. Inhale, stretch arms up. Stretch a little more. Stretch first and arch back. The knees also should be straight while you are arching back. Otherwise, it will become a bend in the back. It is not a bend, it's an arch. This arch you can get it from the top to bottom in an equal. The entire back will arch equally. Exhale, bend forward with the same stretch. Place your palms down on the floor. Try to put the palms beside your legs, the feet. Inhale, left leg back. Bring your left leg maximum backward. Put your left knee down. Right leg should be on 90 degree. Push your hip down towards the floor and look up. More up. Hold the breath. Both leg back. Niralamba is the posture. It should be like plank. Exhale, knee chest forehead down. Ashtavakra. 8 curves should be there in the body. Inhale, head up, chest up. Good. Feet together. While you are doing Bhujanga, the feet should be together. And pull your shoulders a little back. So the chest will get maximum expanded. And elbow should be a little bent. And arch your head back. Exhale, hip up, Parvata. Put your heels down on the floor. Push your hip maximum up. Try to expand your spine as much as you can by pushing the hip more up. And try to bring your head maximum down towards the floor. The knees should be straight. Inhale, left leg forward. Bring the leg in between the hands and the front leg should be on 90 degree. Put your left knee down. Push your hip down towards the floor. Exhale, both legs forward. Make your knees straight. Inhale, stretch your arms up and arch back. Your hand should be behind the ears. Exhale, namaskara. Inhale, down. Very good. We'll just do one more round. Feet together, hands together. Inhale, then exhale, namaskara. Inhale, stretch arms and arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back, right knee down, look up. Hold the breath, both leg back. Good. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead down. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, hip up, Parvata. Inhale, right leg forward, left knee down, look up. Exhale, both legs forward. Make the knees straight. Inhale, stretch arms and arch back. Exhale, namaskara. Inhale, down. Exhale, namaskara, palms together. Inhale, stretch arms and arch back, the Ardha Chandra. Exhale, bend forward, Padahasta. Inhale, left leg back, Ashrurudha. Hold the breath, both leg back, Niralamba. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead down, Ashtavakra. Inhale, head up, chest up, Bhujanga. Exhale, hip up, Parvata. Inhale, left leg forward. Again, Ashrurudha. Exhale, both legs forward. Padahasta. Inhale, stretch arms and arch back. Ardha Chandra. Exhale, namaskara. Inhale, down. So, hope you all understand how to do the Surya Namaskara properly now. See you. Bye bye.